Latest release rear camera that eliminates unknown parts. No need for any welding. Replace it and use it without prompting for unknown parts. Very easy. Solve the problem of unknown parts prompted when replacing the rear camera. This phone has had its rear camera replaced. An unknown component prompt appears. Easy solution. Mobile phone connection to computer. Professional reset. Click to reset now. Reset time here has been accelerated. A green dot appears indicating successful unbinding. Installation can solve unknown parts. Rear camera. Test data is normal. Luben L3 mini host connected to computer. Unbinding successfully. Click to bind now. Binding successful. Start installation test. Installation can solve unknown parts. Rear camera. The camera plug location component has disappeared. The camera function is also normal.